Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel tab and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all we have to do is to enter the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, you will have it here, and you will have to tap on the icon with the square shape. And if you've got the gestures, just like I have, all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the button to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And after releasing, you can see that here we've got all previously opened apps. And if you want to, you can close, for example, only one of it, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you want to close all of them, just go to the very left and tap on clear all. And as you can see, we just go back to the home page, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.